So it is Monday and I have some wonderful updates. Actually, I did my tour this morning. It was great. All went well. Yeah, 10 out of 10. I had my class. I actually took a nap in between the two because I was ridiculously tired. We actually got the air conditioning to fit, which is awesome because now it's like actually working, I think. I don't know. We have an actual system set up now. And it's a lot different than the old broken one, so that is awesome. My closet doors are actually completely busted, so I have to get that fixed now, which is like great. But yeah, it has been a decently cool day. This week is going to be like ridiculously busy, but I thought I'd show you a little bit of update of the room. Try to turn around and like, hey, you ready? Ooh, yeah, I set up my lights. They're super pretty. Also, I set up that in the corner, which hopefully this should stay. Like, so far, it's looking pretty good. I just used a ridiculous amount of tape, and I don't think that's not that one. I'm super proud because I'm obsessed with fall, and this, like, I don't even know. This is just, like, a pink, crisp apple. I don't know. I want Macintosh, but they don't have any. But look, I literally made pancake inside of a microwave. That is the update. I actually got the writer-producer job. If you watched the last episode, you know that through Roar, and we have our first meeting later on tonight. So I'm just going to read and catch up on homework and things like that. And yeah, that's pretty much my night. So long time no talk, but it is another week. I honestly don't know if I've filmed that much this week. I think like bits and pieces, but anyway, it's been kind of all over the place and super busy. There's been so much going on, from classes to Roar stuff and all the good stuff. It's awesome because it's like I get to keep doing so much and try and keep updated with it. That's what I'm saying. So I'm here now. I'm quickly talking. It actually just fits my bike because it got a little bit out of whack, and I'm pretty proud of it because I'm not exactly a handy person all the time, so that's exciting. So anywho, it's been a busier week, and I don't know. I am like wearing basically a sweater today because it was really cold this morning, and somehow I'm still awake right now, but honestly it's gotten kind of warmer as the day progressed, and now I'm really toasty. So I have one more class, but I don't have it for like another hour and a half, so like what do I do with this time? I don't know. Probably get stuff done, but it's also kind of a nice hour where like I don't have enough time to go get groceries, which is exactly what I want to do right now, but I can't. So yeah, I'll probably get those tomorrow because I don't know, I don't want to go too late, so I'll just go probably tomorrow. That's my plan. I have a lot going on this weekend too, so I might just read for a bit. Honestly, I don't even know, but after class I'm thinking about going to the gym and heading back and having an early night because I'm spent as so much has happened. There was an improv show yesterday, there's a bunch of stuff coming up this weekend, which I already mentioned, and I've just been very involved. It's been an overwhelming amount of involvement, so yeah. Anyway, I am going to change so that I am not wearing a sweater. Totally worth this morning, I promise. It was like really cold, and now I'm like, oh, too toasty, but that's okay. That is how weather seems to work around here. So I'm going to carry on with my day, but that is just a quick little update to be kind of catching on to what I'm doing. Also, pay attention to my Twitter because I'm going to be reposting and just basically linking like a bunch of stuff that I'm working on. And that'll probably give a little more of a better insight on what I'm doing because I am working on a lot of projects and video stuff, which is so cool. But it's mostly not necessarily for this, and it's kind of hard to keep updated with it. So I'm just like, you know, if you want to keep updated with what I'm doing, definitely go check those out. The links are in the bio, but basically I am on almost every social media, just Sarah F. Hamilton, all lowercase, just my name. So go check that out. And yeah, let's see what else this week is going to bring. That sounded really dramatic. Just go with it. Is that grocery shopping? Picking up the goods. Yeah, it's happening.